In this video, we'll discuss about the finding the last two digit in a given expression. Many of the times we've seen that the problems in the previous paper of the CAT examinations, this can be solved by the various methods. Here I'm in next 10 minutes I'll teach you the methods through which the problems can be solved within 10 seconds. Now the first thing is that what kind of problem we are seeing in the CAT examination of the last two digit. Suppose many times ask find the last two digit of this 37 raised to power 64. It could be asked last two digit of the number 1241 raised to power 16. It can be asked 133 raised to power 128. This kind of problem in which we have two digits. Now here we learn the two concepts. By learning with these two concepts you can easily calculate and easily solve this kind of problem. First thing here is the number which has unit digit 1. Number which has unit digit 1, it means any number like this 31 which has a unit digit 1, if it has any power, let's say the power will be 16. The answer here is obviously unit digit will be 1 and the 10th digit is multiply 3 with the 6. Multiply here 3 with the 6. 3 6 are 18, right? 8 here. So 31 raised to power 16 is 81. Similarly, if you have the number 1241 raised to power 16, again obviously unit digit is 1 and the second last digit, it says that here the second digit is 4, multiply it to 4 with the 6, 4 6 are 24, last digit is 41. So in this way we can calculate the last digit if the number is ending with 1. For more examples, let's say 61 raised to power 19, last digit is 1, last digit is 1 and second last is 6 multiplied with 9, 6 9s are 54. 51 is the last digit for this number. Right? This is the first thing. The second thing important here is you know about the cyclicity of the numbers. So here you say, I'm not discussing cyclicity. 62 square is what? Here I'm dealing with the square numbers. 62 square is what? Last digit is 62 square is 44. 12 square is 144. The last digit is 44. Right? 88 square. Last digit is again 44. Now what is going on here is the number 12 here is 12. Last two digit is 44. We know that. If you remember the squares up to 20 or 25, we can calculate the last digit of any square of the numbers. Here the square of 12 is 44. Last digit is 44. Now this number is 50 plus 12. This number is 100 minus 12. So we see here is any number like last two digit of x square is equivalent to last two digit of x square is similar to 50 minus x square or 50 plus x square, 100 minus x square, 100 plus x square, or 150 minus x square, 150 plus x square, and so on, like 1000 plus x square, or you can say 3000 minus x square, anything multiple of 50s and minus x and plus x square, last two digit is same. So here we use that 62 means 50 plus 12 square, therefore the last two digit we taken off the 12, here is 44. Here is 88 square means 100 minus 12 square, here is a 44. So this way the number can be found. Now for example 2008 square, last two digit here is 2008 square means 2000 plus 8 square. 8 square is 64. Last digit here is 64. Right? 33 square. 33 square is 50 minus 17 square, and 17 square last two digit is 89. Right? Similarly, you can say 89 square. 89 is 100 minus 11 square. Last two digit of 11 square is 21. 11 square is 121. Last two digit is 21. So in this way we can solve the problem. Now remember the two things. First thing we have learned, anything which has the last digit 1, you can calculate the last two digits. Here we have seen that the square of the numbers 50 minus x, 50 plus x, or 100, 150, 2000, 3000 plus or minus x square has a last digit similar to the x square. So we can calculated the last two digits. Now if we use both of these concepts in the question, we can solve any problems. like 37 raised to power 64. Now what I can do here is 37 raised to power 64. We know that the number ending with the unit digit, we can find the answer to the problem to the any power up to 2 digits. The first concept we have learned that any power to the 1 and say is end with the 1. 3, cyclicity of 3 is 4. Now 3 raised to power 4 is 81, or we say 4, or we can say 4 and 3 raised to power 4 n will end with the 1. Then again 7 raised to power 4k will end with 1, and 9 raised to power 2n will end with the 1. So whenever we arrive the problem of this 7, 1, 3, 7, 9, we try to convert into the unit digit 1 and then calculate the answer. So here 37 raised to power 4, because 7 and 7 raised to power 4n, right? Let me split it into 37 raised to power 4 and then 4 raised to power 16, that is 64. I've split it in this way just to make the unit digit as 1 here. Now 37 raised to power 4 can be written as 37 square into 37 square raised to power 16, right? Now here we use the second concept we have learned of the square. 37 square means 50 minus 13 square, and 13 square is 69, and 37 square is 69. Here I can say 69 last two digits, and here is 37, that is 50 minus 13, that is 69. I get the 69 into 69 raised to power 16. Now 69 into 69 here is 69 square raised to power 16. Now 69 square is what? 50 plus 19 square. 50 plus 19 square means here is 61 and raised to power 16, right? Here we get 16 here. Now obviously it's ending with the 1. We use the first concept here. The unit digit is 1 and second last digit is 6 into 6, that is 36, again 61. The answer to the problem is 61 here. Now if you practice this thing, you can solve the problem within 10 seconds. 133 raised to power 128. 133 raised to power 128, and we are interested in the last two digits. Here 1 has no use. Let's say that's 33 raised to power 128, right? Now this is 33 raised to power 128. Now we have to make it into the last one, and we know that this is 3 raised to power 4 is end with the 1, right? Now I can say this is 33 raised to power 4 and raised to power 32. Why I am making the 4? Because you have to make here is 1. Now 33 raised to power 4 means 33 square into 33 square raised to power 32, right? And now 33 square is what? 33 square means 50 minus 17 square, and that 17 square end with the 89, and this is 89 ending to the last two digits. Here I'm writing all the last two digits because I'm interested in that quantity only. Now 89 into 89 is 89 square raised to power 32. Now 89 square is what? 100 minus 11 square, and 11 square last two digit is 21. 21 raised to power 32. Now here I got the 1 as a unit digit. The answer is 1, and multiply 2 with the 2 is 4. 41 is the answer to the given problem. Now I can solve it verbally without putting the pen on the paper. The next thing important here is I have to ask you, the number xxyy is a perfect square. Find the number. xxyy is a perfect square. Find the number. The only number here, the answer to the problem is 774. Think about it. I'll give you the problem in the next video, or if you comment, I'll give you the solution for that. This is the only perfect square of the form xxyy. The important thing is 2 raised to power 10 raised to power even number, and 2 raised to power 10 raised to power odd number. 2 raised to power 10 even number will end up with the last two digit as 76, and 2 raised to power 10 odd number will end with the last two digits 24. So remember this thing and you can solve the problem. You have solved the problem of 37 raised to power 64. How can you solve the problem if you have the problem like 37 raised to power 65? Now here you might be confused about it, because we need the 7 raised to power 4 and 4 is not divisible by 65. What we have to do here is make it 37 into 37 raised to power 64. Now this is 37 and this 37 is to power 64 can be split like 37 is to power 4 and is to power 60. We know how to solve this problem. We have solved this problem earlier also. We'll get the last two digit 61. Let's say this is 61 and multiply it with 37 to get the last two digit here. Right? So this is the way to solve the problem. So I hope you can solve all kind of problem and get the values of the last two digits here. Thank you. Have a nice day.